Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Messner.
Well, unseasonably warm yet again today, and if you look very carefully, things a little bit shiny in the city of Burlington because we have had some rain showers. 45 degrees though in Burlington, not bad. It's all about the south wind. We've got gusts over 20 miles an hour, sustained wind at 20 right now. So let's talk about temperatures out there. Look at this. We're in the 40s at a lot of spots throughout the Champlain Valley. Right now, Saranac Lake doing a 50 in the St. Lawrence Valley. Meanwhile, eastern Vermont, so often the case, the warmer air having a tough time getting to you guys, and because of that, we're finding temperatures in the 30s. And up in the Northeast Kingdom, we could even find a few pockets of freezing rain tonight because temperatures critically close to 32 degrees. So Storm Tracker, look at the green on here, indicating that we've got some rain out there from places like Enosburg Falls, right on down to Jericho, Starksboro, and also into Lincoln. It's pretty light stuff. Can widen out a little bit. We've got more on the way. It's going to rain heaviest, I think, over the next hour or so around the Champlain. Check that in the St. Lawrence Valley, and eventually that coming into the Champlain Valley. And then you widen out some more. We've got a chunk of moisture here, and then you see this right here, kind of a redevelopment back behind the chunk that's going to be in the forefront of this. And I put it that way because I think by tomorrow afternoon we could find a few rain showers kind of lingering after we see some first thing tomorrow morning. So the setup on the surface map, we've got a warm front here trying to push in here, obviously having trouble getting past the Green Mountains, and that's why, again, you guys in eastern Vermont having some trouble finding the temperatures going up. Well, cold front here, it's going to go through overnight tonight. So we go from a south wind to a west to southwest wind tomorrow, and that wind is going to be howling, especially in northern New York. Look at the future wind gusts here. 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, you might be thinking, what's the issue? I don't see any problems here at all. Watch the way this does pick up throughout the day, especially into the afternoon. So for the afternoon commute, your car, your truck's going to be blowing around a little bit more than in the morning for sure. Wind gusts up in the 30s, I think, in northern New York, if not even higher than that. And then as you come into Vermont, it's going to be pretty gusty, but it looks like northern New York's going to be kind of the bullseye for this stuff. 11 o'clock tomorrow night, it is still pretty darn windy out there. And even as we get you into Thursday, while the wind should pull back during the day, it's going to be breezy. So to that end, we've got a wind advisory posted for tomorrow, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Highlighted areas, this is northern New York, where we may see wind gusts to 50 miles an hour. Day planner for tomorrow, we've got the chance for rain showers first thing in the morning, and it's going to be on the breezy side, and then partly sunny, the chance for some scattered afternoon showers, temperatures topping out in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. So futurecast, 8:30 in the morning, we've got the chance for a few snow showers, I should say, tonight. And that chance for snow showers is there by tomorrow morning, especially in the mountains at 6:30. Then we find a partly sunny sky. So it's cloudy, and then we get some sunshine, the chance for a couple of rain showers or mountain snow showers. Tomorrow night, a few snow showers, starting to get colder around here. And Thursday, we've got clouds, a little bit of sunshine, and again, the chance for a few snow showers. So tonight, rain showers, breezy. Yeah, gets windy tomorrow. 40, that's it for a low tonight because of the south wind. Tomorrow, some scattered showers, and it is going to be windy. Windiest in northern New York. 51 degrees Plattsburgh, 49 in Burlington, 53 degrees as you head toward the Connecticut River Valley. 49 in the wind tomorrow. We go to 36 degrees on Thursday, more clouds than sun, chance for a few snow showers. Same kind of thing Friday, 32 degrees. Good looking weekend. Saturday, Sunday, partly sunny, 18 to 25, partly sunny on Monday, 32. And I think some snow showers around on Tuesday at a high of 33.